Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pet hair removers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Aniline Mini Pet Hair Remover Brush. This small but mighty tool from Aniline beat out the other competing products for many reasons, but its dependability was what really sold our tester on it. It was clear from the first few wipes that it was working exactly as it advertised, they shared, later stating how easy it was to remove embedded hair. It was satisfying to see how well it performed. The tool's triangular shape allows you to use its differently grooved sides to dig out even the most lodged hairs, and its easy cleanup process makes this product a standout. Its small size makes it easy to store in a car compartment or even your pocket for quick, on-the-go cleans, but that's not to say it's inefficient for around the house. In fact, this product is recommended for use on smaller surfaces like pillows or chair armrests, wherever your furry friend likes to lounge. However, due to its small stature, this tool would not be ideal for bigger cleans. While it's possible, it would be quite labor-intensive, and there are better tools out there for cleaning large surfaces. But for a quick pickup, the Aniline is your new best friend. Moving on at number 4, we have the FURemover FURemover Pet Hair Removal Broom. The FURemover tool is mash-up between a broom and squeegee and is ideal for those tough-to-clean rugs and carpets. For a combination of two cleaning tools, the $17 price tag makes this product hard to beat. Equipped with rows of unflagged rubber bristles at the end of the tool, picking up hair in thick rugs has never been easier. When using it on a high-pile rug, the hair came up in a ball that was easy to pick up, our tester recorded. Cleaning the tool was made simple due to the rubber bristles attracting the hair into a large clump, so it could be easily extracted from the broom. The only grievance with this budget-friendly option was the length of the handle. When using it on my hands and knees it felt too long, but when standing it felt too short, the tester shared. It depends on personal preference, but the ability to extend or shorten this handle should minimize the discomfort for anyone who's interested in the FURemover tool. At number 3, we have the Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls. Perhaps the most unconventional of the list. These Smart Sheep dryer balls are made from 100% premium New Zealand wool and have a textured surface to pick up the stray pet hairs that stick to your clothes. This pack comes with a set of 6 dryer balls, and it's recommended to use 3 of the wool balls for a small load of laundry and 5 to 6 for larger loads. Our tester was amazed by the results, sharing that it was a completely hands-off way to get pet hair off of clothing. In addition to this, these wool balls will cut down on your clothing's drying time as it absorbs water and is an eco-friendly alternative to single-use dryer sheets. If you're looking for a hands-off pet hair removal process for your clothes or bed sheets, then this product from Smart Sheep is calling your name. At number 2, we have the Lily Brush Pro Pet Hair Toolkit. 2 is better than 1. This toolkit is not only a crevice cleaning set complete with one wide blade, and another spatula-style tool, but it was a standout product for deep cleaning during our tests. The 14-inch spatula is perfect for reaching down into hard-to-clean areas, like in between car seats, and the wide blade is equipped with a finger strap for more control over the hair removal process. Our tester was amazed by how easy it was to clean typical problem areas. I was really surprised at how handy the crevice tool was, although the handle was really so much longer than it needed to be. It got all the way into the folds of the chair between the seat and the back. Though that handle is a bit long, it comes in handy in tight spaces. And finally at number 1, we have the Uproot Cleaner Pro Reusable Pet Hair Remover. The Uproot Pet Hair Remover is built like a carpet scraper but can serve many functions in your home. This tool's grooved metal edge is designed to collect not only pet hair, but dust and lint as well as it moves over your fabric surfaces. Being that this reusable tool is designed for crevices in your furniture, our tester said that someone who is constantly cleaning pet hair off furniture would love it. Our tester advises users to be careful if using this on clothing, However, as the metal areas of the device could be potentially damaging to fine fabric. But when it comes to furniture, have a field day. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.